Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video I'm going to do a bloom technique, modified bloom technique. I have some pink house paint. It's a mist tint that I've thinned down because it was too thick. The last one I did with this color, my painting cracked. So I've added some Floetrol and some water to thin it down. So hopefully I won't have that problem this time. And I don't know if it's too hot in my basement, but I've had a couple that have cracked, but not too many. My paintings don't usually crack. So something has changed. I think it might be my pillow. All right, so I'm gonna give it a little torch because I just stirred it a lot. Anyway, so I've got some pretty colors. I've got some gold, PBO gold. Athenia, this little piggy. It's like a goldy magenta color. Oh, it's beautiful. Magenta, some fairy floss, and I took some white metallic paint and added a little bit of chocolate brown to it, and I came up with a kind of a beigey color. See how that goes. To put that. Okay. If I use that color, I'm not sure. I'll put a little magenta in the middle. Try not to use a lot of paint here. A little bit of fairy floss. I dripped. I think I'll put some gold. This is PBO iridescent gold. I'll put this Athenia now. A little bit of this beige color. And then I'll use my black cell activator. Okay. I'll go with my mini blower. Oh. Wow, that's gorgeous. Except for one spot. It's pretty nice. I have to let it come back to the middle. Starting to come back in. Cover my sides now. I like to put a little bit of paint under it so it sticks to my canvas board. So this is a wooden board. Okay. Let's give it a little modifying here. Okay, let's spin this. Push it over this way a little. It's turning out pretty good. I hope it dries good. I think this is really pretty. I love that Althenia. Oh. Please dry good. Please dry good. Okay, see how it's moving at all. I'm gonna give it another spin. spinning my bloom. Bloom. Very nice. Very pretty. Let's see if it's moving anymore. Okay. Now maybe I'll do this another one, and I'll do it with some a white base. But that pink underneath is very pretty. Now what's moving, this or this? Let's see if I can see how thick the paint is. Give it another spin. I just don't want to leave too much paint on. Still moving quite a bit. All right, I'll give it another spin. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna see how this dries. It's pretty good now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Come back and see more videos. And I'll put the dried results at the end. And yeah, in my description, there's recipes. So feel free to try them out. They seem to work good for me. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. This is the dried result. It dried really pretty. I love these colors together. I love that Athenia. The gold and the pink are so pretty. I think it'll look really good resined. Thanks for watching and have a good day.